You can't have a meze table without dips. There are dozens of different Greek meze dips. They are the ultimate grazing food, pungent, robust, exploding with flavor, and literally made to be shared. I'm making one of the most popular meze dishes, which is tzatziki. I would venture to say it's probably on every restaurant menu, in every Greek restaurant across the world. The first thing you have to do when making tzatziki is to grate the cucumber. Tzatziki is to Greek cuisine what raita is to Indian cuisine. A yogurt-based dip that's meant to be very soothing, very refreshing. Goes really well with all sorts of pungent and spicy foods, and it's equally good on its own. I'm just emptying my cucumbers into a cheesecloth that is lining a colander. I let this sit for about a half hour to drain, and then I'm gonna wring it out. Cucumber has a lot of water, so you don't want all that water in the yogurt. You want the yogurt to stay thick. I like to add my own little twist to the tzatziki. I chop up a couple of cornichons. They add a little bit of crunch. I'm just gonna add them to my Greek yogurt here. Looks like my cucumber is nice and wilted and ready to squeeze. You can see all the liquid that's come out of there. There's a lot of water in cucumbers. So this is exactly where I want it to be. I'm gonna empty it into the yogurt and just break it apart a little bit. Just makes it easier to mix. The one thing you don't want to shy away from when you make tzatziki is chopped garlic. This is 3 cloves, a tiny bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, chopped dill, extra virgin Greek olive oil, and that really is added to help give the tzatziki a slightly more velvety texture. And for a little bit of extra tang, red wine vinegar. And just mix it all together. This is gonna go beautifully with the meze spread I'm gonna put together in a little while. Just a little bit of dill.